Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a text glow on Canva. So in order to do that, just type in a text here. So after you type your text on your project, just click on your text and then just look here, go here to the effects option, click here, and after that just look for the neon option here. So if you click on neon, you can glow your text as you like in any intensity, like the amount of intensity you can select it here. So that's it. That's how you can glow your text on Canva in this pretty easy process. So that's it with the video, guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.